So here's the plan for the style I have in my head. I want to do 3 hearts. Yes, 3 hearts. Plans changed. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I can't just sit here and pretend like I didn't already spend the whole day yesterday trying to get this heart braid right. So roll the footage. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today Valentine's Day is coming up, and even though I'm not one to hype up Valentine's Day, the restaurants are just always overcrowded and I don't know, it seems performative. But for today, I figure I'll use the opportunity to finally try the heart braid that went viral like last year. Valentine's Day, heart braids, it just seems appropriate. So like, let's give it a try. Actually, no, I'm thinking about it. These are heart braids, and for all the videos and pictures I've seen of these heart braids done, I cannot recall ever seeing them done with red braiding hair. It just seems like a logical thought process. Heart braids, red braiding hair. This video would have been smooth sailing if I never want to knock up myself and be extra and have my heart be red. So the first step is to carve out my heart shape to the side. So that was the rough parting. So what I'm gonna do now is to add some edge control. Well, this is hair wax. Hope it works just the same. I'm gonna add some of this hair wax to really neaten up the parting. And now we're going to split the heart into 2. Oh Lord. Oh Lordy Lord. So my plan A to get the braided heart red was to feed it in. And here we go, adding our first little piece of red braiding hair to feed it into the cornrow. And yes, it did take me a minute to figure out where to place my hand to get the shape of this heart braid right, but I got it eventually. I don't really like the look.
It was supposed to give, but it did not give what needed to be gave to the highest of giving.
Let's start this again. Before I totally give up on having red braided hearts, I'm going to try one more technique. So what I'm going to do is to braid the heart with my own hair first, and then I'm going to crochet in the red braiding hair. And although that technique was made for persons who can't do feeding braids, it will give me a more solid color for my red braiding hair. So I guess because of how small my braid was and the weird angle of the heart braid, this wasn't working out for me. The hair kept falling down, getting in the way, getting mixed up, and you saw that I can braid. It wasn't me, okay? I don't think I was the problem. It just wasn't working. So that's not working. It's not working. I have one more thing that I'm going to try. Same crochet, but instead of trying to braid my hair, I just go and crochet the hair around the braid and see if that works. I don't know. I'm just trying something at this point. Anything right now. So I'm here today to show you how I get a red braided heart, and I'm going to pretend like I always knew what I was doing, and yeah. And for now, I'm keeping the braids separate. Okay, let's make it red. So I'm using this much of the expression braiding hair. So basically what I'm going to be doing is crochet in the braiding hair and wrap it around the existing braid. That way I get a nice solid color. So I have the two ends of the braid's hair, and with this end I'm going to anchor it back here just to keep it in place. And then I'm going to continue crocheting around the braiding hair. You just have to trust the process. If this isn't a trust the process style, I don't know what is. I don't know what is. Alright, now I'm just going to wrap this around the braid. Nice and neat. Not too far down. And then to anchor it down, I'm going to crochet the braiding hair between the plaits. Simple. Just going to go behind the braid, hook the end of the braiding hair and pull it through. Wrap again. And pull it through again. So I've personally never seen this technique done before. I tried typing it in on YouTube. I tried long braid, crochet around braid. I tried bamboo braid. I don't know, I couldn't find it. However, there's always someone in the comment section to tell me that their granny used to do this back in the 60s and 70s. So please feel free to leave in the comment section what your granny did call this style, alright? Thanks. Yay! One half down. Let's do the next half. Ooh, my back. Just going like 2 extra wraps. I am now going to combine the braids to complete the heart. So now I have 3 legs. I have the first braid, the second braid, and the extra braiding hair. And all I'm going to do is to plait that together. Nice and tight. It's bright, it's red, it's obvious. That's what I was looking for. Gosh darn! Alright, so I'm happy with this, but I'm gonna take it a little further. And you see this stick? Yeah, the ends of the heart, I think it's a bit distracting. So to emphasize my red heart, I'm going to wrap the ends of the braid with some black hair. I don't want to cover all the end. I want to show the bottom of the heart with the red. So just right after that point, I'll start wrapping the black. I think that's long enough. I'm going to end it right here. So I'm just plaiting the ends. Oh, it's stiff. It's really stiff, but oh well. I'm hoping it will loosen up over time. It might not, but. And to finish up my heart braid, I'm going to add some white beads to the end. Well, they're not actually going to be white beads. I have some white bubbles here, and I'm going to cut off the elastic and turn them into beads. Nah, 4 isn't enough. Let's add more. Alright, let's pull out these flex strands and finish up this look. Yeah, this is gonna be bomb. seeing this with my red ends, I'm loving this even more. Wow, okay. 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 Not the style I was aiming for, but I love it. Look at it. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Like, I could use the blow dryer and stretch the curls, but it's alright. They soon drop. It soon drop. Rotted. I might actually have to go out this Valentine's Day just to show off my hairstyle. Well, maybe not on Valentine's Day, but maybe the weekend before. Yeah, maybe before. Okay, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe,
because I know somewhere deep down in my heart I still love you.
what I'll do is leave some more of my videos up in the iCard so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you might fall in love and decide to subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah.